Hi, welcome to my channel. And well, this is Panda. And if you want to see how I got this face,
I'm gonna go with this Top of Beauty magnet makeup base. Go ahead and start it.
and now that it's set, watch the video.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ultimate here, but most people know me as Panda. Alright guys, well today I'm gonna go in and do a face tutorial to see how this goes. I am not a YouTuber. Love watching it, but more of an Instagram person. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my lips with the Tarte Shade Tape. I'm using this in light neutral. So go ahead and blend that in a little bit. I already put a little bit earlier because I researched this video because I'm very nervous. If you can't tell by the way, I'm just trying. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that in. And if this video is really shitty quality guys, I am
Sorry guys, my lighting was horrible as well as my audio, so you'll be seeing a little bit of background music and a little bit of voiceover. All I'm doing at this point is just blending till I'm happy with my life and my problems have gone away.
I'm going to use a Wet n Wild blending brush. Now with this color, I'm going to go in on the subculture palettes, and I'm going to be using Dawn, which is this very nice nudie. I got this at Marshall's. It has no brand. It's just a shadow brush. So with that shadow.
What you do to it, you do to the next.
Love using this brush, and my friend gave me. It came in more perception.
And then I'm going back in with Anastasia, the control frame, going back into this color down here. Anastasia's gonna get this elf. And this is a selfie ready detail, just gonna tap that extra. And then I'm gonna go back in with another one of these little brushes that just say crease. But for me, it's more of a blending brush. I mean, you know what? I feel it's like if you know how to use a brush, you can use a brush. And if you can use a brush, it's you. And you know what? At the end of the day, it's if you like your makeup, if you feel confident in it, do you? You know, you are yourself, beauty king, beauty queen. If you love your makeup, you love you. So go ahead and rock it how you want. So excited to try this out. I'm gonna go with Ofra Bossy Eyes, and this is the color in star 5 star. So I'm going with this color. I just went in and cut my crease with the Ofra Bossy Eyes in the shade 5 star in the shape I desired to the shape I liked. And pretty much, I just built up until I liked it. And now all I'm doing here is getting a e.l.f. brush and using that pyramid shade in the palette. I'm going in and pretty much laying that on top of the cut crease I did with the Bossy Eyes to intensify the gold look. I don't know, guys. So I'm actually going to go in with the NYX Dewy, and then I'm going to be going in with the this is the Panda Dream Bright Under Eye. They gave me this as a birthday.
And now to go in under eye, I'm going to go in with the Panda, which is going to be this brightening.
And you know, I know it's an under eye brightener, but I like to just go in. Go in.
For foundation today,
I'm actually going to be going in with the BECCA Full Ultimate Coverage 24-hour bonded. And I'm going to be going in the color Fawn. And to blend all that foundation out, I will be using a Sephora sponge that I bought and forgot the name of. I need a little extra. And then I just went in and blended all that out. Make sure to blend that down all the way to your neck so you don't look like a two-tone hoe. And to blend all that out, I just used my Morphe E6 brush and made sure my contour was sharp as knives, cause these bitches be shady out here. And once all that was blended out and I made sure everything was nice and smooth, I just went in back with my E6 Morphe brush and just reinforced my contour a little bit all around the peripherals of my face. Made sure that shit was sharp, guys and ladies. So I blended until I was happy again. And to set my under eye, I am going to use Lockets by Kat Von D in the shade Petal. And I'm going to be using the sponge that I bought at the 99-cent store that I fell in love with. And after I let that sit and bake for a few minutes, I went in and grabbed my Lorac Tantalizer bronzer and went ahead and put a little bit of color back in my face because I started to feel like I was a little washed out. And while I went ahead and bronzed my face, I ever so slightly started to dust off all that bake excess from my cheekbones and started to go around my forehead. And once I was done with the bronzer, I went in with a Beauty Concepts fluffy brush and just made sure to dust off all that excess powder off my under eye and everything that I had left all over my face where I baked. And I'll be using that peachy blush color, second from the bottom up, just to go ahead and give me a nice little peachy blush look. And going back in with that small detailing brush in the same color sphere, I'm going to go ahead and just do a drop shadow to make my eye a little more dramatic and make my eye pop a little more. So I'm going to make sure that that color is really bright in my inner corner. And now going in with Throne from the Prism palettes, I am going into my outer corner on my bottom lash, doing a dramatic drop shadow and intensifying that dark shadowy look just to give it a nice smoke out. What do you guys think so far? Because I'm going with this NYX liquid crystal liner in the color crystal gold. So just go ahead and do that eyeliner pencil.
The eyes are a little dramatic. I'm actually going in, mixing in this Time Lost Angeles in the color Peach Mimosa. And then I'm going on the outer end, take this cashmere silk right next, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. I'm going to go in with Anastasia in the center. I'm going to be going in with Summer, which is going to be this color right here. So, perfect time for the season. I'm using this Twizzling strobe and brush.
Alright guys, well this is today's face. Let me know what you guys think, and if you guys like what you see, go ahead and subscribe.